Hi guys! Welcome back to another vlog. So you already know by now guys na hindi ako basta sumusuko. Sabi ko nga, hindi ako na-approve ni TikTok guys, hindi ko siya titigilan. Hintayin ko pa sana 1 month. Pero hindi pa umabot ng 1 month sa may offer na kaagad. So this time ma-approve kaya. Bakit naman hindi natin i-grab yung ganitong offer? Kasi legit po si TikTok pay later. Siyempre, yung mga nag-o-offer legit naman. So, yung dati galing po dun kay Atome. At hindi ako in-approve ni Atome. Naku, parang may galit yata to si Atome sa akin. If you wanna learn more kung sino naman ngayon yung nagpo-provide at kung approve ba, keep watching. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Ate Re. For today's video, balikan natin itong si TikTok. Like I said, hindi ko nga siya titigilan, guys. So this video is not sponsored. It's based on my personal experience. At dapat pag-usapan natin to. Kulitin natin to, guys. Joke lang. So kung hindi pa kayo subscribe sa channel, please consider subscribing. Marami kayong matututunan about online loan platforms dito. At hindi po ako nagpro-promote. Ako po ay nagre-review. Pinapasilip ko sa inyo kung okay ba yung loan app o hindi. At the end of my videos, I'm hoping that kayo yung magdi-decide and think it over talaga ha, kung okay yung isang loan app o hindi. So yung spotlight natin today is kay TikTok Pay Later. So napasilip ako sa TikTok ko at nabigla ako guys kasi sabi niya, you can try applying again. Hindi pa nga tapos yung 1 month eh. When I click apply again, yun, yung provider pala, I see one hand na. So nung naklik ko yung apply, lumabas ulit yung kanyang welcome page. May up to 50,000 po na credit limits na pwede mong gamitin within the TikTok shop. So no down payment, which is good. Up to 12 months, fast approval. And activation in 1 step lang. Tatlo pala yung pwedeng maging provider ni TikTok. Pwedeng si Akulaku, si One Hand, or si Atome. Yung dalawa dito parang may galit sa akin. Proceed pa rin ako, hoping sana si Akulaku baka ma-approve ako. Mini mo, sino kaya sa tatlong ito? Rest assured guys SEC registered po yung tatlong to. This time, yung offer ay nanggaling kay One Hand. Naku, patay. I click continue. Parang kinabahan ako, guys. I click continue anyway. Hindi tayo nagsusurrender. TikTok Pay Later, one more step. One hand. So, yun, kinlik ko lang yung continue, fast approval daw. Alam ko na, parang may kutob na ako na fast reject ako dito. No down payment up to 12 months. Hingi po si One Hand ng valid ID at yung ID number. Yung mga IDs na tinatanggap niya is PhilSys, PRC, driver's license, passport, UMID, TIN, postal ID, and SSS. Yung pinili ko is driver's license. Katulad din dun sa One Hand app na palagi kong sinasabit at palagi ako na-reject. I wasn't really expecting much. And then I click done. May po siya ng ID number and then done. Next is facial verification and then may instructions po. Susundin mo lang yan and then click start verification when you're ready. And on the next page, bago ka makapag-selfie, hingi po si One Hand ng permission na ma-access yung camera or magamit yung camera mo. Click mo yung allow, tapos gagalawin mo yung cellphone mo hanggang sa ma-capture ka niya kasi mayroong pang ganon. And then, next is additional information na. So, click continue. Mag-verify na siya. So, ayun, driver's license yung pinili ko at pipicturan mo po yung ID. That's part of the verification process. So, dapat ready ka kasi mag-e-expire daw yung page pag hindi mo yan tinapos within a few minutes. So, just click start if you're ready. Pipicturan mo yung front ng driver's license. Pag-click mo ng start, AI, Jumio.ai to use your camera. I-allow mo lang. And then, confirm your details. Pag capture niya ng ID, makaka-capture niya rin yung pangalan. So, supply mo na lang yung mga missing information and then saka ka magka-click ng continue. Confirm your details. Ayan na. And mga best, confirm na. Pag-click mo ng confirm, akala ko yun na yun. Meron pa pala. So, hingi siya ng email, education level, credit cards held, and then occupation, your address, your pay period, relationship with your contact reference. Isang contact lang yung hihingin niya. Tatanungin niya rin kailan yung gusto mo magiging yung due date mo. Nasa inyo na yan. Choose wisely. Then click continue. So ayan na guys, reviewing credit na. At hindi pa umabot ng 10 minutes, nalaman ko ng reject ako. Sabi ko na nga ba, basta si One Hand, reject ako eh. Ano ba? At lumabas naman yung try again. 1 month later. Ano ba yan? Fine. Sana, by the time magkaroon ako ng offer at si Akulaku na yung nag-offer, sana ma-approve na ako. Ano ba yan? Wala akong choice but to click okay and wait. wait again. So why not, guys? Because TikTok Pay Later is an utang platform that you can use in the TikTok Pay Later or TikTok Shop. So kung mahilig kayong magbili ng kung ano-ano, ang mga ano-ano dyan sa TikTok, baka maka-benefit kayo dito. Kasi pwede siyang installments up to 12 months and no down payment required. Oh, di ba? Pero as far as I know, hindi po siya nako-convert sa cash. As far as I know. So yun lang yun, guys. Reject ako kay Atome na when I applied sa kay TikTok Pay Later that time, Atome yung provider at reject pa rin ako dito kay One Hand. Naku, sana naman ako lako. Anyways, guys, I hope meron kayong natutunan sa video na to. Kung meron kayong mga loan apps na gusto nyong pasilip, put it in the comment section below. Kung kayo naghahanap ng mga legit na mga loan apps, you might want to consider checking the videos that are on this playlist. Or you can also look for these videos. And kung gusto nyo naman magkaroon ng heads up kung okay ba yung loan app o hindi, just type the name of the loan app dito sa channel and sana panoorin nyo muna bago kayo mag-decide kung ida-download nyo o hindi. Or kung meron pa kayong gustong pasilip, let me know in the comment section below and I will try my best. So kung hindi pa kayo subscribe, hit that subscribe button. Leave me a like if you think this video has been helpful. That's all for today and I will see you on my next vlog.